2024, Arizonans filed more than 38,000 fraud reports with the Federal Trade Commission.
The reported losses add up to more than $235 million, and it could get worse in this new year. On your side, Susan Campbell explains why.
It's a lot of money. These are losses from things like identity theft and imposter scams. Analysts say the scams are happening more often. People are losing more money when they fall for a scam. And we know these crimes are way underreported.
The new year is here, and scammers are ready for it.
We are seeing very high dollar losses, even for individuals. Whereas we used to hear from people that were suffering because they lost $10,000 or even $20,000. We're not talking to people whose losses are over $1 million. They're draining accounts.
Eva Velasquez is the president and CEO of the Identity Theft Resource Center. The organization made several predictions for 2025. They say identity theft, cybercrime, and scams will continue to go up, while help for victims that should be available through the VOCA Fund will go down.
It's been starved, and there isn't enough money coming back out to help victims, and it's not taxpayer dollars. These are dollars that are from the asset forfeiture and the fines and the penalties issued against the thieves themselves. So the less we go after these thieves, the less cases that are brought, the less this fund is replenished, and the less resources there are for victims to get the help that they need.
That's why it's critical to do everything you can to protect yourself.
I think the first thing to do is adopt a mindset of good cyber and identity hygiene. Just realize that this is a vulnerability, and it is something that we just need to add to our daily lives.
A few small things you can do: choose strong passwords, use different passwords for each account you have, and enable multi-factor authentication.
The best yet, if it's available, use a passkey. That gets rid of the need for multi-factor authentication, and you don't have to remember anything. It's so easy.
One other thing you can do is freeze your credit. That'll ensure that nobody's opening accounts in your name. You can also freeze your kids' credit. I'm on your side, Susan Campbell.
All right, Susan, thank you. Let's get a